Hey guys, let me ask you something. What if I told you that mastering your sleep could be the missing link between where you are right now and the life you actually want? Most people don't take sleep seriously. They say, I'll sleep when I get old, I'll sleep when I retire, and all sort of things. But if you're not sleeping right, you're actually dying little by little every single day. Let me show you how one of my students, Justin, went from chronic tossing to getting 95 plus sleep score every single night, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same. This isn't just some fluff, guys. It's backed by science and real actionable stuff to actually rewire your circadian rhythm to get high quality sleep. Let's start with Justin. He got access to my 6-figure sleep plug and play inside my personal development blueprint. This dude was cooked, guys. He used to sleep 4 hours a day and he used to glorify it, and also 3 cups of coffee. If he didn't drink the coffee, he couldn't function. He was that bad. To top it off, he was waking up with no energy. Fast forward 30 days later, he's waking up energized every single day, and most of all, he's feeling alive for the first time. So, what changed? Here's what he did step by step. Number 1 is cut screen time 2 hours before bed, guys. I don't want any of you to start scrolling, to watch YouTube. It doesn't matter if it is motivational, podcast, inspiring, none of that matters. No screen time, guys. Number 2 is create a nighttime routine, whether it's reading a book, listening to music, or just journaling. This signals to your mind that, yo, chill out, man, there's nothing to worry. And this will set a good tone for your sleep. Number 3 is eat dinner at least 2 hours before bedtime, guys. If you don't do this, your body is going to utilize all the energy into what? Digesting your food. And sleep is meant to restore your energy and muscles. But if you eat heavy and you make your body work, how? By digesting all the food, you'll never be re-energized. And number 4 is walk 15 minutes after every single meal, guys. The idea over here is to aid your digestive system. When you walk, your digestive system is going to process faster, and by the time you go to bed, you're ready to get that high quality sleep. Now, do bear in mind, guys, I'm not just preaching this to my students. I live this life, my man. I used to be in that grind mode where I used to sleep like 4 hours a night and I had no night routine. All I used to do is work on my business, grind, sleep for 4 hours, wake up, repeat. So trust me, man, I've been in the trenches. But now I sleep and wake up at the same time every single day, and my nighttime routine is reading a book. And yes, those 15-minute walk after meals are non-negotiable. I'm sharper, happier, and more productive than ever. Sleep became my secret weapon. Now that we have covered the basics, let's get a little nerdy over here. When you stare at screens at nighttime, it tricks your mind into thinking that, oh, it's still daytime, because those blue light from your screen go into your eye receptors and it tells your brain that it's still daytime, and that messes up your melatonin production, which is your sleep hormone. So to overcome this, you have to wear a blue light blocker, guys. Let me just show it to you. I have it right here. So yeah, man, these are my blue light blockers. Every single day I wear this at least 4 hours before bedtime, and I work. However, guys, even though you wear this, make sure to avoid screen times 1 hour before bedtime. This is a must, man. Alright, let's put this back. Also, guys, when you expose yourself to blue light in the night time, it increases your cortisol level in your body, and we all know this. High cortisol level is equals to low melatonin production, and when your body produces low melatonin, your sleep will be trash. I guess now you know why you're not able to sleep every single night, because you're setting yourself up for failure. Over time, it messes up your circadian rhythm, which is your body's internal clock to determine whether it's day or night. And your circadian rhythm controls when you sleep and when you wake up. Here's the sauce for you guys. When you reset the lighting, the timing and routines, the circadian rhythm will work for you and not against you. If you sleep less, guys, this reduces your growth hormone production by 70%. Yes, 70 damn percent. I'm not just telling some random number. Go and search it up. People have done countless studies on this. That's literally what helps you to stay youthful, repair your muscles, and make sure you grow taller. So, if you're skipping sleep, you're skipping gains. Full stop. No doubts about it. Most people think sleep is lazy. They glorify the hustle culture. Why? Because they want to sleep only for 4 or 3 hours, work until 2 or 3 a.m. and wake up the next day, go around and telling their friends, yo bro, I slept only for 4 hours, look at me, I'm cooking. But the reality is they're slowly degrading, guys. Don't fall for this trap and don't listen to those entrepreneurs who say that in the starting stage you have to sacrifice your sleep and go all in. No man, it'll just slow you down, age you, you won't be able to make conscious decisions, you'll have brain fog, your growth hormones will stop producing, like all of this bad stuff, man. Why do you want to do that? So my question is, do you want to be a high performer? Well, then start respecting sleep as such. You can't outrun and outbeat biology, guys. We are meant to sleep and we are meant to wake up energized, not feeling tired and not getting the urge of drinking more and more of coffee to stay alive. Like, that's not a holistic lifestyle, man. Here's your actionable step to get high quality elite level sleep every single night. Sleep and wake up the same time every single day, guys. Doesn't matter even if it's a weekend, you must follow this protocol. Second is create a wind down ritual, whether it's reading book, listening to music, journaling, meditation, whatever it is. You have to stick to this routine every single night. And the third one is no screens 2 hours before bedtime. And also make sure to buy a blue light blocker to have more benefits in getting high quality sleep. Eat 2 to 3 hours before bedtime, and after that walk for 15 minutes. We know what this does to our body. It aids your digestive system. Sleep in dark, cool, quiet room, guys. It should be like a cave because our brain is evolved to be as such. Like, just think about it. Our ancestors used to sleep in the cave. Pitch black, no noise. Maybe there might be dinosaurs or lions roaming around, but you get the idea, right? They would be deep inside the cave, pitch dark, no noise, no lights, no blue lights. That's how they were able to sleep fruitfully. Here's a bonus tip for you guys. Every single day when you wake up, go out and watch the sun rise. And at the evening, again go out and watch the sunset. If you do this, I will guarantee you that you're gonna reset your circadian rhythm. If you ask what's one of my biggest failures, I once went 3 weeks averaging 4 or 2 hours of sleep every single day because I was initially launching my business. I was moody, foggy, and it cost me a lot. This single decision took months and months in my life, guys. After this, I guess it took like 2 or 3 months to completely reset my circadian rhythm. So it's that bad, man. That's when I realized that smart people don't just grind and hustle all the time. They know that recovering and sleep is the best tool to boost their productivity and recover smarter. Sleep isn't a break from success, but rather is the foundation of your whole empire, your success, your health, you name it. I know a lot of the hustle culture in YouTube is gonna be mad and pissed if they watch this video, but hey, this is your wake up call. Beat it, motherfucker. You know who else swears by sleep other than Brian Johnson? Jeff Bezos. He said that sleep is his highest leverage activity. He protects his 8 hours of sleep night like his billion-dollar company depends on it, because it does. So, if you're serious about winning in your relationship, business and health, start by mastering your sleep. Sleep isn't just rest, guys. It's repair, recovery and realignment with your higher potential. And if you want my exact system that Justin used to get 95 plus score every single night, then consider getting my personal development blueprint. You'll get access to my 6-figure sleep plug and play and many other fruitful resources. Link will be in the description, make sure you check it out. And also guys, do bear in mind that I talk the talk and walk the walk. Here you go, that's my sleep score. You see, I get 95 plus score every single night. I talk the talk and I walk the walk, so chill. I'm not one of those gurus. That's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you like my video, comment down and let me know about your thoughts. What do you think? Were you trapped in this hustle culture and do you view sleep differently now? Do let me know, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel because I'll be uploading some fruitful content for you guys. And as always, you know it all, my friend. I'm rooting you all from afar, celebrating each and every single step of yours towards success. You got this, king. Let's sleep better.